There's a little update, guys. Yeah, she's been throwing a lot in the past week. She's almost ready to start the flower right here. This one right here. But they're looking healthy, nothing wrong. There's a couple burnt leaves on one of the plants, because I think that's just from the light. That one's just about to flower. It's starting. That one is. That one's the Mexican Rush right here. This one right here. That one right there is Tropicana Cookie. That one's supposed to turn purple, I guess. That one's OG Kush. This one's Pink Mist. She's been the struggler. She's been fighting, but she's growing, bro. And that one's Watermelon. This one right here. Sorry about the camera view, guys. Trying to give you a little update if anybody was wondering. Plants are healthy. I was going to water today, but I'm going to wait another day because some of them are still a little wet. So there's a couple of them that could be watered, but I'd rather do them all at the same time. So I know they can make it one more day. Alright guys, that's your update. I'll see you in another week or so. I'll have to hang my trellis net in a minute. Don't eat it just yet. I'm gonna. Oh yeah, here's a clone that I just started last night. She's tipped over a little bit. I don't know if she's gonna make it. I've never made a clone before, so it's my first try to see if it happens. And this is my Pink Mist starting right here. She's only like my first week of the season. Other than that, guys, that's what I got going on. About 8 different plants in here. 9 if you want to count the double I got. 9 total. Alright guys. And I will say the Spider Farmer light is one of the best lights on the market right now. It's very hard to get. It's sold out. We've been selling it for a while. So, let me show you something the Spider Farmer sent me. When I first got this light, right? Look at that dent right there. See it? Got a little indent. I got that. That was brand new, they said. Brand new. Other than that, I've had no problems with the light at all. I just ordered another fan because I don't think that little 6-inch fan is enough for this picture. So I got going down. Oh yeah, and I switched the exhaust to exhaust instead of pushing air in now. Because the temp was getting too high and I couldn't regulate it. Alright guys, that's my video.